Hi guys, so for today's video we're going to be painting on this piece of wood. Yes, I am. Well, I found this at our home. I don't know, I bet it's lying at our home for some reason that I can't explain. But yeah, I'm actually planning to paint like a pinkish sunset scene on this, and I hope it turns out great, because or else this won't be posted on YouTube. And yeah, let's proceed to the video. First step is we're gonna prime it with white paint. Well, it actually has this like white thing on it for some reason. I don't know, is that mold? Does wood get moldy? I don't know. It's weird, but yeah, let's paint on it. I decided I'm just gonna go for it. I'm just gonna put white on it. So, I mean, I'm gonna spread it even. Anyways. Oh my god, it's so transparent. I don't know. Okay, probably gonna take me like 2 to 3 coats to get this fully primed. I don't know. Also, I don't know why I use this kind of brush. Like, this brush is so small, but I can't go back. Okay, so I thought there's actually gonna take like 2 to 3 coats, but this is like 1 coat, and it's actually fine. So yeah, let's proceed. I'm actually planning to do like a pinkish orange color, but I don't know how to achieve that, to be honest. But yeah, so I don't have pre-made pink paint, so this is gonna be like a huge problem. But it's gonna go with like red. I don't know if that's good or what, but yeah. Well, this is not really the color I'm trying to achieve. This is more pastel-y than pinky. I don't know why. But let's try to put purple. Actually pretty similar to each other, but yeah. So for this technique, or for this painting, the technique I'm using is with a sponge, since I'm going to be doing gradient later. So yeah, let's start with this sponge. Just like the bottom layer, by the way. So yeah, we start from light to dark. Okay, so it's actually pretty dry now. And the next thing to do is, where's the stencil I made? Oh my god, wait, I need to find it. This. So with a stencil, well, you can just make this with any type of paper, and you just cut like mountain shapes on it. That's basically it. And yeah, you need to put it. You put it. Actually, you don't need to, but you put it right. Sorry, that wasn't the one I'm using. Put it right on the paint. So yeah, we just painted a sunset using only 3 different colors. Well, we used white, but white is not a color. So yeah, and if you have pink lying around there, You can substitute pink with or red with pink. Sorry, my English is not that good. But yeah, we also use different techniques in painting this. Yeah, whatever this is. And that's it for this video. Please hit subscribe and the notification bell. Get updated on whenever I post something new and something dumb like this video. Yeah. See y'all in the next video. Bye.